we are standing in Tukai temple, and this land, the Baner Vatan, was given to Kalamkar family, who is from the Shinde Gharana, who were posted in the Satara Gadi or Satara kingdom. And this land came to them. The Kauji Kalamkar was a person who was one of the Sardars, and he didn't have any son. So then he made a vow to the temple, the Devi, Tukai Devi, that if he gets a son, he will make a temple on this hill which he owns. So he got a son. After that, he made this temple. The murti, if you see, is very peculiar, and this murti has been made from in Mahabalipuram. And the speciality of this murti is this, that the Devi is having one hand on the child. So the child is actually the son of that Kauji who was blessed by the Devi, and they consider it that the family is there because of the blessing of this Devi. This temple was somewhat 12 by 12 foot before 2005, and after that in 2005 this whole temple was renovated, and what we see right now is been made in 2005. Before there it was a very small temple. The murti also was very small. It is now made in Mahabalipura. The murti is being made, and you will see that the temple has been made in the Vimana style, which is peculiar to the South Indian style of it. It is not the Hemadpanthi temple, which is the peculiar to the Maharashtra style of temples. So the reason being that only the artisans came down from Mahabalipuram, and that's why they have an influence over the temple architecture. The third gem of Baner, the Ram Nadi, which is not seen from here, but if you are going towards university, then you'll see it near Mahabaleshwar Hotel. So the Ram Nadi is present like from many years, where it was called a river. Interestingly, the records till 1830 to 1890 of the PMC documents, 1890 or something, specify it as a Ram Nadi. It's a river. After that, somewhere something went wrong, and after that it started being named as a stream. Now there is a difference between these two terms, because a river by the Environment Act gets a protection wherein they cannot construct anything around it for 80 feet. It didn't happen with Ram Nadi, and that's why it became narrower and narrower. It is a hill part, there is a heavy rainfall, and because of the narrow part, the speed of the stream or the downstream increases, and it causes floods. So now only there was one more madam, the rally which was going. So she is the activist, she is one of the activists who is working for renaming it as a river. And she is saying that the government has taken up the responsibility of naming it as a river. Once it is named as a river, the illegal constructions are taken away, and then the river is widened, and then the flow is regulated. This river is very old, something around, you will find its mention in something documents around 700 years ago also. There is a temple near Pashan, Someshwar. So it's a very beautiful temple. So it is again a folk tale that Shivaji used to come to that temple to pray. So the small hamlet or village which is around the Someshwar temple is still called as Jizapur, because Jiza Mata came there to pray. So if you have ever get time, just visit Someshwar temple out there. It's in Pashan. If you have ever been to Pashan Lake and Manas Lake, so these two lakes are actually the part of Ram Nadi.